got my gun. I'm ready.
Up there. Put your phone down.
I can't put it down. I gotta go up. I gotta go, go, go. Did you get one?
Yeah, it's in my gun now.
Okay.
The two.
Oh. All right. Good job shooting the bad guys.
There's one more.
Where? Get him.
Right there. There.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
I didn't see.
It's in my gun.
Oh. When you shoot them, they get inside your gun? Wow. That's pretty neat.
Shoot them.
Me?
Yeah. Put your phone down. In there.
In there. Go, 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 go.
On this chair.
Behind the chair.
Yeah, let's go on this chair.
All right.
I need to get all bad boys. I don't need to stay up here.
You did a good job getting them bad boys, Randall. I'm so proud of you, Mr. Policeman.